Mitchell. I teach sound design and electronic production at Berklee College of Music in Boston. And this is Mitchell's method. Let's take a look. So I had this idea where when I'm writing riffs in metal music, djent, whatever, heavy stuff, I usually like write a riff and then I play the MIDI keyboard and like tap in the rhythm of the riff, and then I listen, do the side chain, change my mind, go back and forth, back and forth. So I thought, what if I could have an envelope follower of some sort? Every time I hit a note, a kick drum will play. So that's what I did. So I have this little drummer, this project, let's take a look. So I have at the top, the drums. In the middle, these are the 3 tracks we're going to be taking a look at. And at the bottom, these are the effects. So I have a drum riff with no kick, and there's no guitar and no bass. So the idea is I have this guitar tracking channel, which is what you hear, the listener hears when I play something. Then I have this second track that's a side chain trigger, which hears the guitar, but we don't hear it. And that sends a signal to this envelope follower on a third track, which is a simple drum rack. As a kick sample, that's it. And I found this device called MIDI Bang V1.2, which Bang is like a message in Max for Live. So it allows me to map a note to the envelope follower operation. So whenever this envelope follower hears the sidechain input, this is great, it hits a kick drum. And it's the most fun. So yeah, I'll share everything in the description. Hope you enjoy. Peace.